The great grey owl is a master of silence. His prey is hidden under a blanket of snow. Voles. To combat the extreme cold, he must catch 7 voles a day. His ears will be his most effective weapon. Voles need to feed continuously or they will freeze to death. They constantly dig tunnels to find new food supplies. The owl's ears are positioned at slightly different levels on either side of his head. Sound will hit one ear before the other, allowing him to pinpoint his prey with great accuracy. Through half a metre of snow, the sound of scampering feet is inaudible to us. But it's loud enough for him. With the help of a specialist camera equipped with 60 highly sensitive microphones, we can reveal what the owl is hearing. And he's off. As he flies, he tracks the sound as it changes. Directly above the vole, he can pinpoint his target.